Hello everyone, welcome back to another informative video. So when we hear that we are going to have a tropical storm or hurricane, whatever natural disaster, if you have a garden, one of the first things that come to mind is how can I save my plants? So this is one of the advantages of growing plants in containers. You can easily move them, they are mobile, move them from outside, put them wherever. And in this case, I move them from outside, put them inside because of the hurricane. And now I have my plants and I'm happy about that. So in the initial phase, that was Thursday evening, we had a burst of heavy wind and it broke this branch, and this branch had a few peppers on it, as you can see. Right, these were developing well, quite a few of them, so I lost this branch, right? But nevertheless, I was in time and this is the only branch I lost. Right, now let us go over and take a look at the nursery to see if it suffered any damages, and also take a look at the sweet potato plants. Okay, so here we have it. It looks like the shade cloth is still intact, right? Let us move a little closer. Yeah, the roof is okay. The shade cloth itself looks okay. I'm not seeing any tearing or anything like that, any kind of damage. The tables are intact, right? However, this was basically hanging here on the fence, right? So I'm going to put that back up just to create back a little bit of privacy instead of having it down. So everybody from outside can basically look in and see what I'm doing here. So I'm going to put this back up in a bit to basically, as I said, create some privacy. So let us take a look now at the plants. This leaf is almost completely cut off, right? And the leaves overall, they are not looking so healthy, but the main vine, it is still under the ground, so I'm sure it will still grow. It is not broken or anything like that. This one, it looks the same. It's the same story with this one. I'm missing one right here, right? And I know because this is where I had the mulch, right? And as you can see, this is basically the remains of it. This is the piece that is on the ground, and it looked like it broke off. So let us see if we can find it. Right? Okay, here it is. So maybe the vine was swinging to and fro like that and caused it to break off, to just snap off, right? So basically we lose this vine, right? So what I'll do is I'll just stick another vine in this space, right? Because I have a lot of vines that I can cut from the sweet potato in the container to come and replant here. So far one vine, we have lost one vine. Here is another one there. These over here, they seem like they suffered the least amount of damage, and I can understand because these are basically protected like beside the nursery, right? That's the story with these. So everything looks okay for now, and as you can see, the sun is coming out, right? So I'm sure these plants need some sunlight as well. So that's the story. So if you have any questions or any comments, please put them in the comments area. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you again in another video.